What is CBSL Marketplace? CBiolab's CBSL Marketplace will be the first global marketplace for CBD products and services, enabling all market participants to offer and trade their products freely and unregulated worldwide. This includes agricultural companies, manufacturing companies, contract fillers, transporters, and laboratories. Own evaluation and payment options will also be integrated into the CBiolab's marketplace. After the launch of the CBSL marketplace for CBD products, it will be expanded to include cannabis products and will be accessible to a larger target group. The decentralized character of the CBSL marketplaces will be used especially for rights, licenses and NFTs. We will integrate our CBSL token as the primary means of payment. If you would like to learn more about our company or our products, please visit our website cbiolabs.io. Thank you.